Yeah. There are no questions. We can. Yeah, Mahesh, go ahead.
In the 3.9 sloka, on the Bhaashyam, what is Prakashitaha is said revealed. What is Abhiprakashita?
Abhitaha Prakashitaha. Revealed in its entirety.
Oh.
It's not like saying. If I show you this book and ask you what this is, okay, it's a book. It says Yajurveda Ashirvada Ghanam. The book where the Ghana mantras are. And if you say that, then you know what this book is about. But you know only a part of it. You just have a general idea. That's it. To know this thing, there is a lot to know. You don't know what is there in the back cover. You don't know who is the author. You don't know how many mantras are there. You don't know any mantras here also. Maybe you know one or two. And so there's so much to know. In anything we know, whenever anatma is involved, the knowledge of anatma is never complete. You know why it's not complete? Because it is avayavavat. Because it has parts. Parts. Whenever something has parts, you will never know everything. Abhiprakashitaha. Atma is partless. Therefore, I should have explained this in the class, but remind me in the next class if I forget. I just want to say it in the next class also. Abhiprakashitaha means fully revealed. Nothing else left. Nothing else left. That is the meaning. That is the significance of the prefix abhi. Abhitaha. In Sanskrit, there is a word called abhitaha. Abhitaha means all around, etc. Right?
And another question is on that Sambandha Bhaashyam for 3.10. Here, what does the yoga refer to?
It's what? Everything I explained is what yoga refers to.
Oh, I see. Okay.
That explanation that I had given is only for that word yoga.
Oh, okay.
Karma yoga onwards. Basically, karma yoga is what it is. Preparatory steps yoga. And finally culminating in what? Samadhi.
Okay.
Samadhi. Preparatory steps is within brackets, really. The meaning of yoga is not karma yoga, really speaking. Karma yoga is a preparatory step to this yoga. Yeah. This yoga, which is nididhyasanam.
And in that, when we mentioned about that, Ishvara is Ish plus Varaha.
Yes.
And the suffix, you said some words have got, only few words have got suffix Varaha. But I heard you say Bhaswaraha. Is that correct?
Correct.
I thought it was only Bhaskaraha. I never heard of Bhaswaraha.
Bhaskara also is a word. Bhaha karoti iti Bhaskara. One who illumines is called Bhaskara. But one whose nature is illumination, one whose only job is to illuminate, is called Bhaswaraha.
Okay.
Different meanings apply to the same entity.
Okay. And then one word, something you mentioned, Agantakara Vritti. Can you please explain or elaborate?
Akhandakara Vritti. Yeah. So it's basically what? It's a Vritti of the Akhanda Atma. That's all it is. It's a Vritti of the Akhanda Atma. So normally a Vritti, a thought, is corresponding to an object. And but here the object is really the self. And so that vritti, that particular knowledge of Atma manifests as a vritti, because knowledge has to come here at the head. So when I say I know something, means I have a vritti, I have an idea of what that is. And so that vritti here in this case is called akhandakara vrittihi. Akhanda akara. Akara means form. Akhanda means what? It is actually an anakara vritti, you can say, a formless vritti. But vritti has a form. But the minute I say I know means something has happened in the head. And so that particular vritti, whose object is akhanda sarvavyapi atma, is called akhandakara vritti. So it's a technical name there. That's the
Okay.
they referred to that.
Okay.
That's a term used. Means when you know it, then the entire all names and forms will suddenly you say, my goodness, everything is Brahman. Names and forms disappear. So akhanda. Akhanda means fragmented, you know. Akhanda, unfragmented, if you say it is a whole. Purnakara vritti. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So we will. So how, 1, 2. ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वामयविनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्रीमहाविष्णवे नमः।
धन्यवाद।